Papas with chorizo. Let's go. 3 potatoes chopped up. Put your potatoes in a pot with water, salt, and cover. 2 tomatoes chopped. Half an onion chopped. 1 garlic clove minced. 1 jalapeno diced. And a half pound of chorizo thickly sliced. When your potatoes are done, strain them and set to the side. In a hot pan, add in your oil, then your chorizo. When they are browning, add in your onion, garlic, and jalapeno. Cook all together till the onions are translucent. Add in your potatoes and cook together until your potatoes get some color. Then add in your tomatoes, stir, cover, and cook. And remember to stir occasionally until the tomatoes are broken down. Season and taste. Now put it in your tortilla, and remember, as we say in Mexico, buen provecho.